H-span S60 is a solar-based POE switch node, which is deployed in the edge access network. We can see that this is the network position of H-span S60, and in some way that you cannot get power easily, we can get the power from the solar part. Then we can provide different kind of power to the application devices, which we can provide a POE, POE plus, even 60 watts POE, and we can provide DC48, DC12, and even DC24 or some special power standards which you need it. Because we see that in the application that the different kind of scenarios like sparse traffic, power grid, they have different kind of application and requirement for the power part, right? On the other hand, for the backhaul, we can help to integrate different kind of technology like GE P2P fiber uplink, GPON fiber uplink, and then we even can make this node as layer 3, so you can build a MPS VPN here, but it totally depends on the requirement. Let's see the H-span S60 LSP, the basic specs. The dimension, actually, you can see it's not very big. The weight is like a 7.8 kilogram, which is very small. And the materials based on aluminum materials. The ingress protection is IP65, so you can see that this kind of a system actually, you don't need to worry about the corrosion and the rusting problem. The heat dissipation is based on the fan system. It's not based on the fan system, so it's totally natural heat dissipation. With that, you don't have to go on site to change the fan, this kind of things. So it's totally maintenance-free system. And the solar controller right now is we have 500 watts. We have a DC48 out and 10 amps, which is MPPT high efficiency solar controller. Remember, we have a monitoring software system that can help the remote control and monitoring for this H-span S60. And network modules for LSP actually it's a layer 2 POE switch model, which we have the POE switch here inside. And the POE standard right now we can support is normally A02.3 AT and AF. But you know, if necessary, we can provide the BT standards. So this is the H-span S60. Let's have a conclusion. This model is based on the power is based on the solar, and it's a layer 2 switch POE module that's located in the edge network. Uplink connect to the aggregation network, use GPON or GE fiber. Downlink provide a POE or different kind of power standard to the applications. All right.